Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look out at the easiest way to make money online. The easiest way to make money online is what we're actually going to look at. Okay, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, go ahead and subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So in today's video, I will show you the most realistic way that you can use to make a reasonable money online from the comfort of your home or from the comfort of wherever you are. Okay, so one of the first click I'm going to give it to you that you can use to make money online is for you to sell your design services. Okay, for you to sell your design services. A lot of us have learned a lot of skills like graphics design, and actually we don't know where exactly to patronize ourselves or where exactly to start selling this product. So today, follow me to the end so that I can explain to you deeply on how you can go about this, and also the particular exchange or platform that you can use to sell this product. Okay, what did I say? I said you should sell your own what? You should sell your own design. You need to start creating logos. If you have the skills on graphics, you need to start creating logos, flyers, YouTube thumbnail, social media management template. Okay, you can design social media template for a lot of people, business cards, and many more. Okay, and now, where can you actually sell this? You can find your clients on platform like Fiverr, Upwork, and also people per hour. Okay, the second way you can easily make money online is by creating a YouTube channel. The same thing as I'm doing. It will earn you money online. All you just need to do is to be consistent, continue in creating your own content. Okay, then you can earn through ads after you have built audience. You can earn through ads, you can earn through affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and lots more. And all this can only happen once your channels grow. Alright, it can only happen when your channels grow. So you need to actually grow your audience and then start earning something reasonable for yourself. Okay? So as I said, you can earn through ads, affiliate marketing, and lots more. Number 3 is affiliate marketing program itself. You can promote people's products, or you can promote a particular exchange. For example, you can earn a commission when a customer buys a product, and you can also earn a commission when someone signs up using your own referral links program. You can earn a lot of commission from that. You earn from products if you're promoting products, and you earn from exchange if you're promoting exchange and someone sign up using your referral links. This is one of the major ways you can make money very easy online. Alright, so without a waste of time, let's look at print on demand. Print on demand, that's the fourth one. Print on demand means you can see a lot of people making a printed t-shirt. Okay, you can design a t-shirt, you can design phone cases and sell them. You can also sell digital products. Okay, you create some templates from Canva, logo packs, and also social media templates, as I just mentioned earlier. You can also do freelancing on social media. What about those freelancing? You can do freelancing on social media, because many small businesses need someone to create graphics for them, for their Facebooks, Instagrams, and also TikTok. So what are you waiting for? Do you want to put this into consideration? Look at them carefully and start earning something for yourself. All you just need to do is to save this class, watch this video from the beginning to the end, and also make your own research about them. Pick them out one after the other and make your reasonable research about them. And by the time you make your research, you realize that yes, you have been missing a lot. And you also realize that yes, this can actually make you some reasonable amount of money daily, weekly, or even monthly. So what are you waiting for? With all of this, a lot of people are making money. You can see a lot of people cashing out a lot more from YouTube channel today, a lot more from Upwork with dedication, a lot more from freelancing, a lot more. Okay, and the skills you need is simple. Just learn something, know how to do something, start graphics in design, and many more. All right, because if you check out from the beginning of this, our goal was to do what? Easiest way to make. Our goal was to do what? Easiest way to make money online. Okay, and I started by saying what? You can sell your own design. You can sell your own design. All right, and I've mentioned to you a lot of places you can sell your own design. Most of those important places are like Fiverr. A lot of us have come across Fiverr. So please do well to make your research about Fiverr and see, create your own account, and you creating the account as a worker. Okay, and the next one is Upwork. You can go through the Upwork, look at it carefully, and also make your own research about it, create your own personal account, and also start earning for yourself. There's also people per hour. I know a lot of us have heard about people per hour. Go to people per hour, check it carefully, make your own research on it, and start your work there. By that, you can be able to be making a reasonable form of money without a waste of time. So thank you for watching. If you find value from this, let me know at the comment sections. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.